Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Lakshmi. So today we are going to see about yoga for pregnancy during the first trimester. So while you are planning, so you have many people have a doubt whether when we start doing yoga or whether you are already doing yoga, this yoga will avoid your conception like that. So it will not affect your conception because till 45 days the baby form as a cell. So when it is placed in the uterus, then only you have to avoid certain asanas. Whatever asanas I have demonstrated today, standing asanas, and further we will give you the more asanas, more sitting and lying down postures. So you can try all the asanas during the first trimester. Why I am insisting you to do during the first trimester? Because people may have some physiological changes during the first trimester, because many have a morning sickness. They may affect with the anemia, and they may affect with the vomiting, sweating, tiredness, lethargy, like that. They don't feel hungry. So this yoga may gives you an extra support to balance your body. Mainly when we are in the first trimester, our body will totally change into pitta. In yoga there is three doshas, that is vata, pitta and kapha. In pitta, in first trimester we will be in a pitta. So in that time the baby will only the cells start developing. When the cells starts developing, when you do yoga and you feel energetic with the breathing exercises, so the cells may get more oxygen. So this is the right time to start your yogic practices. So I suggest everybody to start practicing yoga right from 45 days. Start. So first asana is Ardha Chandrasana. Mainly we are doing it for the lateral part of the hip area. So initially during the first trimester you start doing all the asanas during the initially from the 45 days onwards you can do all these stretching. This is Ardha Chandrasana. Try to bend as much as you can. Just go there and feel the stretch on the other side. Stay there in normal breathing and hold the posture if you can. Otherwise, just go back and come up. During pregnancy, you try to exhale through the mouth so that you don't give additional pressure to the abdominal area. As the baby is growing, we don't want any pressure during the postures. So try to initially, if you are start doing yoga right now during the pregnancy, you have not practiced yoga before, just stretch the posture, go there and come back. Ardha Chandrasana, this is very helpful for the lateral muscles and also for the oblique muscles which are holding the baby. So next trimester this asana will be very helpful for you. Then the second asana is Tadasana. Inhale, open your mouth and exhale, interlace your fingers and try to stretch your arms up and stretch your heels up. Hold the posture in normal breathing. Don't tuck in your abdomen. Just try to balance your body. First trimester, it is very easy to balance. Balance as much as you can. This posture, you have to hold the posture. It will strengthen your leg muscles, mainly your thigh muscles and calf muscles. In advanced week, you will get cramps during the pregnancy, so try to hold the posture as much as you can. During the third asana is Konasana. So keep your legs apart exactly above your hip level. Interlace your fingers and stretch your elbows up. Slowly bend your body to the left side. Open your mouth and breathe out. Don't lean forward like this. Just twist your body up and go till you feel the stretch on the other side. Inhale, come up. Exhale and bend to the other side. Just whenever you go to the other side, don't sag your hands like this, just stretch your arms. Come up. Initially, when you try these postures, don't try to hold it, just go back, just move it gently and come up, and again just try to concentrate on the breathing. When you start concentrating on the breathing from first trimester onwards, you will get more oxygen. Then further, when you are reaching your second trimester and third trimester and all, you don't feel the breathlessness as the baby grows big and big. Then next, Trikonasana. This Trikonasana is a little bit different from the normal one. Try to place your hands exactly middle to your body. Twist your body up and exhale and hold the posture. This is very good for your spinal cord. Mainly it relieves tension in the spinal cord. Further, when the baby grows, as you hold the posture in normal breathing. This will stretch your spinal cord mainly and gives relaxed feeling throughout your pregnancy. So you can try these postures during your pregnancy, but you start doing these postures from day 45 onwards. As your stomach grows big, you can keep your hands like this because you can't go down. So you can keep your hands on the block and twist your body. During first trimester, you can start doing the hip rotation, but I am in 15th week. I am not supposed to do now because my placenta has grown. So I will tell my therapist to do the hip rotation. So keep your legs apart. So hands on your hip. Just try to rotate your hip in a clockwise direction. Clockwise. Yes. When you start doing hip rotation in the clockwise direction, you will feel the stretch on the pelvic area, mainly on the thighs. It will relax your pelvic muscles and relax your hip joints mainly. And do a reverse rotation. You just try, initially you try all these stretches for 5 times. If you were doing it before, you can do it with the breathing techniques. Otherwise, you just try with the normal breathing. Relax.